G'day, it's Boomer. I'm here at Barbecue Spit Rotisseries today, and we're going to do some hot and fast chicken wings with super crispy skin and that golden crunchy texture. Wings, my Clucked and Plucked rub, cover them generously, toss them around a bit, and then they go straight into the pit. With these wings, we're going to make a sweet and spicy hot sauce. This is a combo of ingredients that I used at Meat Stock, where we got the first place wings at the first ever SCA competition. The ingredients used are a good hit of sriracha, nice little bit of honey, a little bit of vinegar to thin it out, some butter, then we balance the sweetness with some sugar. And that's my super easy, sweet and spicy hot wings.